Hi friends, welcome to Simple Trading Tips channel. Today we will see how to become a day trader. The prerequisites required for to become a day trader. And first point is save money for expenses at least for 3 to 4 years, and additionally you should have some trading amount. Actually, some people might be thinking like quitting their job and becoming a day trader. So this video will be useful for those people. And so if you are planning to quit your job and come to the trading, then you should at least have a savings for at least 3 to 4 years, and additionally you should have trading amount. Then only you can become a trader and you can do the trading peacefully, because you should not have targets like okay, this month I need some 40,000 of my expenses for my house. So in this way, if you go on thinking and trading, you cannot do the trading pleasantly with peace of mind. Next, coming to the second point, trading should be passion. Take trading as a profession and try to enjoy both profits and losses. And trading should be a passion for you, but it should not be like just a time pass or any other thing. You should take the trading as a profession, and you should try to enjoy both profits and losses. Okay, do not get excited when you get profits, and do not get depressed when you get losses. You should have a mentality to treat both profits and losses in the same way. Then only you can exist in the stock market for a long time and you can get the profits. And next is do practice for at least 1 to 2 years while you are in job itself, and build some promising strategies with back tested results. But remember, no strategy is 100% accurate. See here, after quitting the job and then you're starting the training or practicing, it will not work out in this way, because when you are in job itself, when you are having that plan of becoming a trader, then itself before 1 or 2 years itself you need to have some plan, and you need to take some training or watch YouTube videos or whichever might be comfortable to you. But you should practice very rigorously for at least 1 to 2 years. Then only you can clearly know about the chart patterns, price movements, about the stocks, everything. So after doing everything, then build some promising strategies for yourself which will fit for yourself. Remember one point, all the strategies will not fit for everyone, because those strategies are purely dependent on the emotions. So based on your emotions, based on your things, you will be fitting some with some strategies. So build some promising strategies with back tested results. You should definitely have some results, like suppose you took a strategy and then you test it for at least 100 days. Okay, and check these 100 days what is the result of your strategy. Suppose out of 100 trades, if your success percentage more than 50 or 55%, then definitely it's a promising strategy. In that way, you need to maintain some promising strategies, because every strategy is not useful in at all the times. So you should have different promising strategies with back tested results. Because you should have confidence in those strategies, then only you can execute your trades successfully and confidently. But remember one point, no strategy is 100% accurate. No strategy on the earth will give you 100% results, or 100 is not 100% accurate. Next, when you feel you are ready for trading, then you can quit the job and take trading as a full-time profession. So after practicing everything and after building some strategies for yourselves with back tested results, everything, then if you feel very confident, then you can quit your job at that time and you can come to trading. And one more thing is, one should be very disciplined in trading, so that you can take the trades in proper order with perfect strategies. And discipline is most important in tradings, because do not take the trade just as you are seeing the chart and you are seeing a green candle and the price is increasing. Okay, let's enter into the trade and next we can take the profit. No, that is not the way. You should have a proper strategy, because you need to follow the stock for at least 100 days. You should back test the stock for 100 days, and then by seeing the chart patterns, by seeing the candlesticks, everything, then you should decide, and then you need to enter the trade with perfect strategies. which fit for the trade. Participate in stock market webinars, workshops, seminars, and make friends with like-minded people. See here, when you are in stock market, your circle should also be stock market, and when you are in teaching, you should be your circle also should be in teaching. Then only what happens is you continuously go on discussing the same subject with everyone, and you will come to know about your mistakes, and you will come to know from others mistakes, and you will rectify some mistakes, and you can grow in this field. You should definitely participate in webinars, workshops, seminars, and you should have some friends. Develop this circle, then only you can easily know your mistakes, and then you can easily recover from the losses, or you can know your mistakes, everything. And next is daily follow the market news, global indices in the morning, and take the trades accordingly. So before entering the trades, daily morning you should watch the TV news or any other app. Daily watch internationally what happened, how are the global indices have moved yesterday, and what is our present situation. Is there any government related news, or is there any specific event today, like RBI monetary policy, or some other or election, etc. So based on these events, and based on the market news, based on the global indices, our markets also will move. Keep this point in mind. And next is, at last, stock market is about probability but not certainty. Stock market is just probability. Means, what does this point means? When you toss a coin, you have a probability of getting heads or tails. So probability of getting heads is 50%, and probability of getting tails is 50%. But it is not certain, like it definitely you can get heads, or definitely you can get tails. So in the stock market also, if you take a trade, there is a probability of winning or losing. So please keep this in mind. Stock market is just about probability but not certainty. Even though if you follow many strategies, or everything whatever you know, whatever you have, even though if you have everything, the stock market is just a probability of winning and losing, but it's not a certainty. By keeping all these points in mind, decide yourself whether you will fit for the stock market or not. So please keep in mind all the above points. So now you just decide for yourself whether you will be fitting for the stock market or not, because some people are ready to take risk, but some people are not ready to take risk. They just wanted to have just monthly salary, and they'll be very happy with the family. But some people are ready to take risk, and they want to earn more money. So for such type of people who are ready to take risk, the stock market is will fit for them, but not for the those people who stay in the comfort zone. So based on the all these points, you decide for yourself. Now the ball is in your court, whether you will be fitting for the market or not. Thank you.